Your daily habits are shaping your mind more than you may realize. The things you do every day can either support your focus, memory, mood, and clarity, or slowly work against them. Some habits drain the mind, while others help it become stronger, calmer, and more alert. One habit that can harm your mind is excessive screen time. Constant scrolling, nonstop notifications, and information overload can make it harder to focus. Your brain was not designed to be pulled in 100 directions all day. Too much screen time can leave you mentally tired, distracted, and restless. Another habit that harms the mind is living under constant stress. Stress affects your mood, your concentration, and even your memory. When your mind is always in survival mode, it becomes harder to think clearly, make wise decisions, and stay emotionally balanced. Poor nutrition can also affect the way your mind works. A diet full of sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats can leave you sluggish and unfocused. And when you add lack of sleep, the problem gets worse. Sleep is when your brain restores, processes information, and strengthens memory. Without enough rest, focus and learning become harder. A sedentary lifestyle can harm your mind too. When the body barely moves, blood flow slows down, energy drops, and the brain does not get the support it needs. Sitting for long periods can affect your mood, motivation, and ability to concentrate. Even small amounts of movement throughout the day can make a difference. Now let's talk about habits that help your mind. Regular exercise supports healthy blood flow to the brain, boosts mood, and helps with memory. Healthy nutrition also matters. Foods rich in nutrients, vitamins, healthy fats, and antioxidants help fuel the brain and support clearer thinking. Continuous learning is another habit that helps your mind. Reading, writing, studying, and learning new skills strengthen mental connections. Mindfulness and quiet reflection also help reduce stress and improve clarity. Sometimes your mind needs stillness just as much as it needs information. Hydration and quality rest are simple but powerful habits. Drinking enough water helps your brain stay alert, and good sleep helps refresh your body and mind. Your daily habits shape your mind, so choose wisely. Reduce what harms you, build what helps you, and take small steps every day toward a clearer, stronger, healthier mind.